Makeup Ki Dunya episode 12. Hope. Have you ever felt like you were giving your everything and still nothing was working out? Like the world just stopped and you are stuck in the middle, watching everyone else move forward. I have, and not just a year ago, just last month. There was no work, not a single project. Everything was quiet, too quiet. And in that silence, all the noise inside my head got louder. I started thinking, is this it? Am I done? Should I leave the industry? Should I just get married and start over? Have I failed? This is not an easy video, but this is a necessary one. Because today, I am not here to share a makeup look. I am here to share what saved me. Hope. Not the fancy kind, the kind that barely survives, but it was enough. I have always been passionate, from the day I picked up my first brush, I told myself, मैं झंडा गाड़ दूंगी. And for a while I was doing exactly that. Work was flowing, confidence was high, and my dreams felt close. And then comes the silence, the dry season. No bookings, no calls, just doubts. And the worst part, not the lack of work, but the voice inside me saying, you're not good enough anymore. I started thinking about quitting. I questioned my talent, my path, even my worth. I thought, शादी कर लेती हूँ, stable हो जाएगी life. मेकअप छोड़ के कुछ और try करती हूँ. But at all this breakdown, one tiny spark refused to go out. That spark was hope. One random day, I was sitting and thinking about my YouTube channel, Makeup Ki Dunya. What topic should I pick next? What can I even talk about when I myself feel broken? And suddenly it hits me. If I'm feeling like this, there must be hundreds of others who already gave up. Makeup artists who quit silently. Not because they weren't good, but because they felt unsupported, unseen. And I realized if we all leave this industry, when it gets hard, who will take it forward? That was my moment. Not a trend, not a reel, but a movement. Makeup Ki Dunya, the community. A space where makeup artists, not just from India, but worldwide, can share their real raw stories. Because behind every reel, every flawless face, there's an untold story. We talk about brushes and product, but not about the breakdowns, not about the internal battles, not about the days when you show up smiling while crying inside. So I said, enough. Let's create a space where we share our truth, where we talk about what it really means to be a makeup artist, where we show the world that we are not less. Because yes, we deserve the same respect as doctor, engineer, or any other profession. And it starts within us. I started talking to the other artists, not from a place of competition but from compassion. And the things I heard, they broke me and healed me at the same time. Stories of rejection, burnout, anxiety, artists who were talented but couldn't keep up with financial stress, mothers who worked late night to support their kids, girls who fought their families to follow this passion, and yet no one was talking about it. So I knew this is a bigger than me. We need to speak, we need to listen, and we need to honor the path behind the glam. Now, let me speak to you, the one watching this right now who feels like they have lost hope. I know what that feels like. I have been there recently. And hear what I want to say. It's okay to pause, take a break, cry, sleep, switch off. But don't let that become your full stop. Because quitting won't take away the pain. Hope might feel lost, but it's not dead. It's waiting for you. And if your mind isn't working right now, don't force big decision. Just do one thing. Watch a tutorial, learn a new trick, organize your kit, make a video, not for the world, but for you. Even if it doesn't go viral, it's proof that you are still fighting. Your mind become what you train it to be. Train it to move, not freeze. Stuck रहने से कुछ नहीं बदलेगा, but even one step forward, that changes everything. So today, I want to tell you, you are not behind, you are not broken, you are just becoming something deeper. And this is why I built this space. So no artist ever feel like they are walking this journey alone. Makeup Ki Dunya is not just my story, it's our story. Let's make it a space where we can cry, heal, grow and rise together. And if you ever feel like your fire is dying, come back to this video. Let it remind you for who you are. Because if even one of us rises, many will rise. And we will. If this touched you, share it. Let it reach the artist who's sitting in silence today. Let's remind each other. Hope is still alive. Thank you for being part of this. Thank you for choosing to stay. And if no one told you lately, you matter. Your work matters. And your story matters. Welcome to Makeup Ki Dunya Chapter 12. Thank you so much.